This washer is Electrolux EW6SN306SPX. Series SensiCare 600. This is a good, reliable, slightly boring European washer. Nothing fancy, but if someone asks, is it ok? The answer is yes, absolutely. Made in Ukraine. The best all-day button is Eco. Main detergent for main wash we put here. Pre-wash we put here. Softener for some type of clothing we put here. We put here only for main wash. Okay, close it. Then here we have our dirty clothing. Put it here. Close the system. Maybe we will put it like sport wear. 30 degrees and 1 hour 40 minutes.
Yeah, today is okay.
And it's not more than 3 kg of wash. Let's start it. Let's see the results. Yeah, it's okay. Good cleaning and fabric care. What we can ask for this machine? Not premium, not silent or super fast, but dependable, efficient and easy to use.